So Deshon here is putting a new windshield on the Bronco using the rope. I've seen that, they've just never done it. I've never done this rope thing, but I've seen it. It's the way to do it.
You agree with him? You agree with him?
Sometimes you can't help it.
Do you want me to remove this dash?
No, it's fine.
It's not glued on. So watch carefully for his technique. This is Deshon from Go Glass in Redlands, California. Go Glass, Redlands, California. So no glue is required.
No glue required.
So all windshields, modern or old, they never require glue then, or there's some models?
Some of them do require glue. Some of them don't. It's just depend. But this is an old vehicle, so it's gasket setted. So it's no glue required or anything like that. But some older vehicles, they have like a thing called butyl tape, but we're not allowed to use that anymore just because it's a safety issue.
Is that that gooey?
Yeah, it's the real gooey stuff, and it's real stuff. I actually have some, I believe. But
it's
yeah,
like a flexible gasket.
Yeah, it's like a flexible rubber, like real sticky stuff. But
right.
Yeah, we can't even use that on windshields anymore because in like a rollover crash or something like that, it's not safe at all for us to use that.
It'll pop out.
It'll pop out. So we, in order to do older vehicles, we switch that stuff with regular glue that they use now, modern days now.
Interesting. Like he was explaining, the chrome piece goes right here and it doesn't make on a curve on the edges. There's no way to push it forward here. It's held just in this part right here.